Alright, hey, this is Hans coming at you with another unboxing time with the Ramen Rater. Today I've got something from the United States. This package holds within samples from Vite Ramen. Vite Ramen is pretty well known these days in the ramen arena as up and coming, something new. They had a big Kickstarter and they did exceedingly well, and their ramen has lots of protein, lots of all those vitamins and minerals you need every day. It's supposed to be super tasty, and yeah, it's rad stuff from what I hear. I haven't tried it yet, so let's rip into it and check it out. Alright, as you can see, it's very well packed. Actually, it appears there's no ramen in this box. I have another box which the ramen probably is in. However, this box has a bowl, which is always something enjoyable, and from what they tell me, this bowl has something a little different going on. Check that out. That's a cool bowl. Now, it does something that most bowls don't do. No, there it is. Let's see that right there. When it gets to the right temperature, this V will, instead of being green, turn white, I think is the deal. And then you put in what is known as the nutrient packet and stir that up. And what that means is that the temperature isn't so high, it'll break down some of the nutrients that are in that sachet. So that's kind of neat. I've never seen anything quite like it, and I think it's pretty cool. And it's a really nice bowl. I really like it. So thank you very much. Also in here, they sent some stickers, so I'll have to stick some stickers. Yeah, I like sticking stickers. Stickers are cool. Alright, well cool. Well, thank you to Tim and Tom for sending these along, and the next video you're gonna see will be the last one that you saw, depending on what day it is. It will be the actual ramen itself. So, alright, hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Rater, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.